जय जननी श्री गणेश की, जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। प्रतिमा परमेश्वर परेश की, प्रतिमा परमेश्वर परेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। जय गज बदन षडानन माता, जय 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 निर्मल माता। ध्यान दान की सुंदर प्रतिमा, बनी वाहिनी शुभ संदेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। जय आदि शक्ति है मात निर्मला, जय 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 भक्त वत्सला। भक्ति दान दो भक्ति गम्या, कीजे कृपा निर्मल गणेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। हे जगदम्बे मात भवानी, शुद्ध विद्या तव चरणन जानी। मोक्ष दान दे मोक्ष प्रदायिनी, विनाशिनी भव कलेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। निर्मल भोली अति प्यारी। मन अंतर में ज्योत जला दो, चंद्र निभा ज्योति दिनेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की, जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। प्रतिमा परमेश्वर परेश की, प्रतिमा परमेश्वर परेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की।
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ, तेरे भक्त तुझे हैं पूजे माँ। जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ, तेरे भक्त तुझे हैं पूजे माँ। तू ही दीन दुखी के कष्ट हरी, तू है सर्व कृपा में श्रेय करी। तेरे नाम में ईश्वर की महिमा, तेरे नाम में ईश्वर की महिमा, तेरे नाम में ईश्वर की महिमा। इसी ध्यान में हमको पिरो दे माँ। जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ, तेरे भक्त तुझे हैं पूजे माँ। तू है अक्षय पथ का दान करी, तेरी एक नजर ही पार करी। तू है अक्षय पथ का दान करी, तेरी एक नजर ही पार करी तेरे प्यार के गहरे सागर में, तेरे प्यार के गहरे सागर में, तेरे प्यार के गहरे सागर में हमें बार बार नहला दे माँ जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ। तेरे भक्त तुझे हैं पूजे माँ।
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ, तेरे भक्त तुझे हैं पूजे माँ।
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
तेरे नाम में ईश्वर की महिमा,
तेरे नाम में ईश्वर की महिमा।
इस ध्यान में हमको पिरो दे माँ।
इस ध्यान में हमको पिरो दे माँ।
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
तेरे प्यार के गहरे सागर में
तेरे प्यार के गहरे सागर में
हमें बार बार नहला दे माँ।
हमें बार बार रहला दे माँ।
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ।
जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे माँ। Jai Shri Mataji, respected brothers and sisters from the global Sahaj family. Salam sejahtera dari Malaysia. Warm greetings from Malaysia. Before we proceed, we would like to welcome yogis for joining us for the very first time. And we pray that you will continue to join us every week. Today marks a very significant day for us as we have just completed 1 year since we started our online meditation session. We started with only about 20 new and established yogis from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia on 15th of December last year. And within a couple of months, it expanded to the neighboring Southeast Asian countries, India and Australia. By the grace and blessings of Sri Mataji, we now have yogis from all over the world joining us. Thank you, Sri Mataji, for making this joyful collective possible. Verily, you are the doer and the enjoyer. We, your children, do nothing at all, Sri Mataji. Let us now, for a moment, introspect and surrender our ego, our conditionings, and all that is detrimental for our spiritual ascent at the holy lotus feet of Sri Mataji. Let us fill our hearts with love, respect, and forgiveness for ourselves, our fellow Sahaj family, and mankind in general. Let us continue to keep our attention on our heart, and we pray for peace, bliss, and joy, so that we can enjoy tonight's session to the fullest. Now, with folded hands and with complete reverence, let us seek the permission from our Divine Mother and pray. Param Puja Shri Mataji, we, your children from across the world, humbly seek your permission, blessings, guidance, and protection to have this online meditation. It is by your divine grace, Shri Mataji, we are growing steadily and spreading to every nook and corner. And for this, Shri Mataji, we are eternally grateful to you. Shri Mataji, our only desire is to please you and to be one with you at all times. Koti Koti pranams at your holy lotus feet, Shri Mataji. Today, we are indeed very blessed to have our dear brother Sanjay Roshan Talwarji from Gurgaon, Delhi, India, to lead our session and to share his experience with Shri Mataji. So please stay on till the end of the session. Brother Sanjay Ji received his self-realization on the 4th of July 1984 from Shri Mataji in London. Since childhood, he has a passion for music, and he was fortunate to get trained by his mother in classical singing, Indian classical singing. And thereafter, he continued with his passion by composing songs and writing the lyrics for the songs. He needs no introduction to the Sahaj world, as he has on numerous occasions sang in the presence of Shri Mataji, for he has been blessed many times by Shri Mataji herself. And we have witnessed his performance, his beautiful performances all the time. And Shri Mataji has always given her blessings to him. He has plenty of stories to share with us, with his music, with his miracle stories about his music. We'll listen to him later today. His family also practices Saj Yoga. His wife, our sister Aradhana, children also practices. So we are indeed very grateful for Brother Sanjay to accept our invitation for today. Besides singing, he has also directed a movie, Grahalakshmi, a very significant movie for Sahaj world. It's been shown on the theaters, and he's also coming up with another new movie, Mahalakshmi, which is to be released very soon, next year. With his music and with his passion for music, he has traveled extensively across the world. And we look forward to his awesome session today. So without much ado, we will invite our brother Sanjay Ji to take over and to lead the session, and thereafter share his experiences with all of us. Sanjay ji, over to you, please.
Jai Shri Mataji. Thank you, Sister Maheshwari, for such a long and detailed introduction. I humbly accept today and join you all for this day's meditation. So we will start today's meditation by first bowing in front of Shri Mataji's altar or photograph. Raise our Kundalini and give ourselves a bandhan as we normally do. Please, let's do that first. Thank you. In front of Mother's altar, we put both our hands on our laps wherever we are sitting, and our palms open with the fingers spread out. While I say the following mantras, those who know the mantras may please say along with me. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrar Swami Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Please, let's fix our attention on top of our head on the Sahasrara, which is the fontanel bone area at the top of the head. Let's pray to Shri Mataji. Please, Mother, allow my attention to stay on top of my Sahasrara. Now with your left hand towards Shri Mataji and right hand towards the ground. Keep it hanging if you're sitting or on the floor. Put the right hand on the ground. And we'll say the Ganesha Arthvashish and clear the left side as we bring in the auspices of Lord Ganesha. Om Namaste Ganapati Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam Ritam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Ava Tvambam Ava Vaktaram Ava Shrotaram Ava Dataram Ava Dhataram Avanuchanam Ava Shishyam Ava Paschatat Ava Purustat Ava Uttaratat Ava Dakshinatat Ava Chodhavatat Ava Dharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantat Tvam Vangmayas Tvam Chinnamaya Tvam Anandamayas Tvam Brahmamaya Tvam Satchidananda Dvityovasi त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि, त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि। सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति। त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः, त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि, त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः, त्वं देहत्रयातीतः, त्वं कालत्रयातीतः, त्वं मूलाधारः स्थितोऽसि नित्यं, त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः, त्वं योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं। त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वार परतर अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं। गकारः पूर्वरूपम्, अकारो मध्यमरूपम्, अनुस्वारः शान्त्यरूपम्, बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम्, नादसन्धानां संहिता सन्धिः। सैषा गणेश विद्या, गणकः ऋषिः, निश्रित गायत्री छन्दः, गणपतिर्देवता। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुरहस्तं पाशम् अंकुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कार्ण्याम् अच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च शिष्टयादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषार्थपरम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं सह योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Put both the hands on your lap. Feel the vibrations flowing on both your palms. We pray to Nirmal Ganesha to please take charge of all our chakras on our Sushumna Nadi, on our central path. Allow Lord Ganesha to open each and every chakra. Now, we will keep our left hand on our lap and our right hand across on our heart. And we will ask Shri Mataji to Ma, please come in my heart. Please come in my heart. I bow at your lotus feet in my heart. Bow at her lotus feet in your heart. Feel the love of Shri Mataji in your heart. Shri Mataji, if I may have erred, please forgive me. Shri Mataji, please purify my heart with your love and fill it with the love for the whole world. I bow at your lotus feet. Now put both the hands on both your laps. And we say, Mother, you are the doer. Keep your left hand on the sky and right hand on your lap. Just bend your hand towards the sky, the left hand, and then say, Shri Mataji, you are the doer. I do nothing. I am only your instrument. Please remove all the heat from my right side. Let's take the mantra of Himalaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Himalaya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namah. Keep both your hands on your lap. Keep your attention at the back of your Ajna. And we seek mother's forgiveness by saying these mantra. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Look at Shri Mataji's photo. Keep attention on top of the head. And enjoy these vibrations. They are so beautiful, flowing from both the hands. Feel the vibrations flowing through your Sahasrara and coming down into your entire nervous system and filling your nerves of all your hands and palms and your entire body. Mother, please keep me in meditation all the time. May I stay thoughtless and doubtless. And may I stay in a state of meditation always. Jai Shri Mataji. Sister, you may now play Shri Mataji's talk on the heart chakra. Thank you. Let's listen to Shri Mataji's talk. With complete reverence, dedication, and love in our hearts. Please play Shri Mataji's speech.
Just a minute.
How this mental activity can be performed through the heart. Now you must remember that heart is absolutely connected with brain. Absolutely connected. It's not disconnected thing. If it was, it would not have worked. When heart fails, after some time, brain also fails. The whole body heart is to be understood this way, that as soon as you see the danger, without even thinking, in a reflex way, your heart starts pumping more blood and you get palpitation. You don't have to think, there's no mental activity. Just you see, supposing a tiger standing before you, immediately the heart will start pumping. It's a reflex action. Now, how this activity takes place, one may say, is that because it is built in within you, that as soon as you see some emergency, your sympathetic nervous system goes into activity. And you start feeling the fear, you start feeling that there should be some protection, that you should do something about it. But you do not think, you just run. You run as fast as possible. You don't think about it, what I should do, where I should run, just you go on running, away from the danger. And how do you do that? Because it is built in within you, all this, in your brain, that as soon as the heart starts pumping too much blood, it should just make the legs work and the hands work and you should run. Or we can say it is in the central nervous system, built in, the fear. Any reaction, any response like that is built in within you. But the response to the spirituality is not yet manifested. It is manifested, it is all built, no doubt, but it is not yet manifested. And how will it manifest? That's what people ask me, Mother, how will it manifest? Through your past, you have learned that you have to be afraid of this, you have to be afraid of that. Also in this lifetime, you have learned many things. For a child may put his hand to the candle, won't be frightened. But a grown-up will, because an experience. With the experience, gradually you built in that reaction of reflex within you so that you try to save yourself. Now, what experience you should have to build that in your heart is the point. And the experience is of your own divinity, of your own spirituality. Once you start developing that experience, then you know that you are a divine person. Unless and until you are aware fully that you are a divine person, howsoever faith you may have in me, the recognition is not complete, because who is recognizing me is a blind person. If a blind person is recognizing me, it won't have that response of the heart. So first you have to recognize yourself to be a divine person, to have faith in yourself. So the brain is controlled through the spirit. How? That around the heart there are 7 auras. Which can be multiplied into any number. 7 raised to power 1600, which are the ones which watch the 7 chakras raised to power 1600, 16,000, sorry. Now this spirit is watching through this aura, watching, I am again saying watching, through this aura. Can you sit down? Can you sit down? I think it will be better. There's no need to bother once you have put it in. This aura is watching the behavior of your 7 centers in your brain. Is also watching all the nerves that are working in the brain, watching again. But when you bring the spirit into your brain, then you go 2 steps ahead. Because when your Kundalini rises, she touches the Sadashiva, and Sadashiva informs the spirit. Informs in the sense reflects in the spirit. So that's the first state where the watching auras start communicating to your different chakras in the brain and integrating it. But when you bring your spirit to your brain, this is the second state. Then you really become self-realized in the full way. In the full way. Because then yourself, that is the spirit, becomes your brain. Action is very dynamic. It opens then the 5th dimension in the human being. First, when you become realized, collectively conscious, and start raising the Kundalini, you cross the fourth dimension. But when your spirit comes into your brain, then you become the fifth dimension, means you become the doer. Our brain now, for example, says, all right, lift this thing up. So you touch it with your hand, you lift it up. You are the doer. But when the brain becomes the spirit is the doer. And when spirit is the doer, then you become a complete Shiva, self-realized. In that state, if you get angry, you are not attached. You are not an attached person to anything whatsoever. If you possess anything, you are not attached. You cannot attach, because spirit is detachment, complete detachment. You don't bother about any attachments whatsoever. Even for a second you are not attached. Now, I would say, to understand the detachment of spirit, we should study ourselves very well, clearly. How are we attached? We are attached, firstly, by our brain. Mostly by our brain. Because all our conditionings are in our brain, and all our ego is also in our brain. So all emotional attachments are through our brain, and all our egoistical attachments also are through our brain. That's why it is said that after realization one must try to practice the Shiva Tattva by practicing detachment. जरा मला शाल दो. तसं शिवाची पण थंड start करा. Now, how do you practice this detachment? सगळ्यांना इंग्लिश समजता है ना थोडं थोडं? In the practice of Sahaja Yoga, you have to rise higher. You have to improve your own instrument and not the instrument of others. This is one thing one should do. For definite. Now you just watch your attention very carefully. Watch it. As soon as you start watching yourself, your attention, you will become more identified with your spirit. Because if you have to watch your attention, you have to be your spirit. Otherwise, how will you watch? So now see, where is your attention going? First, the attachment is in all gross ways to your body. So we see Shiva, there is no attachment to it. He sleeps anywhere. He goes to the cemeteries and he sleeps there. Because he's not attached, he can never be caught up by any boots or anything, nothing of the kind. He's detached. The detachment is to be watched and seen through your own attachments. Now, because you are realized souls, not yet, the spirit has not come into your brain, of course, but still you are realized souls. So what you can do is at least to watch your attention is everything. you can watch your attention very clear by seeing where your attention is going. And then controlling your attention also is very simple. Control your attention. You have to just remove your attention from this to that. Try to change your priority. All this has to be done now. After realization, a complete stop.
होम स्वीट होम, ए स्क्वायर का घर देखना चाहोगे तो आ जाओ फटाफट से। फोयर एरिया दिखाता हूँ। मुझे पहले अंदाजा ही नहीं था कि फोयर एरिया क्या होता है। जब होम लेन में डिजाइनिंग पार्ट आ रहा था तो
we have a minute's silence. Stay in meditation. And ask my brother Anupam to please play the song Hame Maa Se Pyar Kitna.
हमें माँ से प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते सहज के बिना। हमें माँ से प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते सहज के बिना। हमें माँ से प्यार सहज जीवन राज हर जीव तत्व ये, सहज जीवन राज हर जीव तत्व ये। जिंदगी के जीने में सहज का ही खेल है, न हमने देखा था ना तुम इसे जानते हो। यही चाहते हैं तुम भी समाओ निरानंद के इन महाउत्सवों में। हमें माँ से प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते सहज के बिना। हमें माँ से प्यार शक्ति माँ ही है आदि गुरु माँ, आदि शक्ति माँ ही है आदि गुरु माँ, पराशक्ति माँ ही है माँ ही विराट। मस्तक सभी झुकते हैं श्री चरणन में, क्षितिज सी बढ़ती श्रद्धा कैसी सीमा जाने, बने बूंद सागर तो क्या गीत गाए। हमें माँ से प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते सहज के बिना। हमें माँ से प्यार में बसे सारे देवगण हैं, मध्य में बसे सारे देवगण हैं। सातों शक्तियाँ हमारी माँ स्वरूप है, इच्छा प्रकट हो जाए सहज जागृति हो। सभी चक्र निर्मल ही निरंजित विराजे, सभी पाप धुल जाए श्री चरणों में। हमें माँ से प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते सहज के बिना। हमें माँ से प्यार।
Let's stay in deep meditation with our attention only on our love for Shri Mataji. As the song suggested in our meditation, keep our love burning in our hearts for Shri Mataji. We will conclude this meditation now with the Aarti, and then the 3 mantras, and then the Bandhan. So may I request you to please play the Aarti. Thank you.
सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी। दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी। दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जग में संकट कारण कितने लिए अवतार माँ, कितने लिए अवतार। विश्व में तेरी महिमा, विश्व में तेरी महिमा। तू गंगा सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जो भी शरण में आया सुख ही मिला उसको, माँ सुख ही मिला उसको। बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, लौट के ना जाना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। मानव में अवतर के कर दिया उजियारा, माँ कर दिया उजियारा। कलियुग में माया है, कलियुग में माया है, फिर भी पहचाना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ। भारत माता, माँ है भारत माता, इस धरती पर आकर, इस धरती पर आकर, दुख से दूर करना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जब दिल में आए तब मधुर संगीत सुन लो, माँ मधुर संगीत सुन लो। हो सके जो सेवा, हो सके जो सेवा, हमसे करा लेना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना।
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीकल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी, श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीकल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रारि स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माता जी, श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। बोलो श्री भगवती आदिशक्ति माता जी, श्री निर्मला देवी की जय। We'll all sit in short meditation for a few minutes. Thank you. Thank you, Shri Mataji. Thank you, Shri Mataji, for giving us this opportunity to do meditation at your lotus feet. Please grant us our moksha ma. Please unite all your loving children across the whole world Sangha to become one collective entity and spread your love all over the world, so that all the problems of the world will disappear when all become one with your love. Let's bow to Shri Mataji, raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. Over to Sister Maheshwari. Thank you.
Thank you, Brother Sanjay Ji, for the peaceful meditation and the lovely songs. For those who joined us late, the first two songs before the collective started J.J. Janani and also Jagat Mama, also by Brother Sanjay Ji. All lovely bhajans by him. So now he's going to share his experience with us as to how music has brought joy, not only to our spirit, but how Shri Mataji has blessed Brother Sanjay as a musical instrument for our Sahat Sangha in the world. Over to you, brother.
Thank you, sister. Hello, everybody. It's such a wonderful moment that we are all together in front of Shri Mataji. And I have this great privilege and opportunity by sister given to me that I can speak to you a little about my music and how it inspired me. Sahaj Yoga inspired me to become a musician. I was not a musician, but Shri Mataji held my hand, and the first song that we heard after the mother's speech was my first song, which was created in a car journey with Shri Mataji in Rajasthan, where she wanted me to just sing a song, and I started singing a song, and she kept changing the words. And this is how the song came out to be, with mother's words inside. So mother wrote that song, Hame Maa Se Pyar Kitna. And that is how my journey in music started. And she would keep her hand on the back of my neck while I was driving. She was sitting on the next seat next to me. It is very, not very much like Shri Mataji to be sitting next to the driver, next seat. But there you are. Shri Mataji was sitting there. I was driving. I drove 3,000 kilometers across. And she had her hand on my chakras at the back while I was driving. And she asked me to sing while I was driving. And that is where I found myself all of a sudden. I was composing and I was writing and I was singing automatically. Such a thing to happen with me when I was barely 2 years into Sahaj. It was 1986. It was my first time getting into Sahaj music, and then there was no looking back. Then in mother's speech, as you may have heard about the auras of the heart, now that speech really had stirred me in those days when Shri Mataji had delivered that lecture, and it took my attention so deep inside to understand how the auras of the heart are watching us, what's happening in our chakras. And yet the light has not gone there because our realization is not complete. So I had that big question in my heart when I was sitting with Shri Mataji. It was 1987 in front of her. And she then asked me that I should go into the next room and write a song because she knew what was going on in my mind. I was having these questions about these auras and how they work and how they reflect through our heart. And then the song that I wrote at that moment was exactly about what it was. And so I would like you to play. I've shifted the experience part a little bit. I'd like you to play Apne Hriday Ke Sare Dwar Khol. And that is the song that was composed and written. And I sang it to Shri Mataji. And now you can hear it right now. Please play that song. Thank you.
द्वार खोल प्रेम दाहिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल
अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल प्रेम दाहिनी माँ की हो कृपा
दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। निर्मल माँ को जिसने जाना उसका ही हित होने वाला।
निर्मल माँ को जिसने जाना उसका ही हित होने वाला।
जीवन में अमृत रस घोल।
जीवन में अमृत रस घोल।
प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
जाग बावरे खुद को जान।
जाग बावरे खुद को जान। अपनी ही शक्ति पहचान।
जागृत करके वो पथ खोल।
जागृत करके वो पथ खोल। निरानंद निरानंद झरे अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। सोई आत्मा में स्वानंद जागा। ब्रह्मानंद का राग समाया।
सोई आत्मा में स्वानंद जागा। ब्रह्मानंद का राग समाया।
लीला सारे द्वार खोल, प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल, प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल, प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल, प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। अपने हृदय के सारे द्वार खोल, प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल। प्रेम दायिनी माँ की हो कृपा अनमोल।
Open all doors of your heart and see how the grace of Mother is bestowed upon you. These were the simple words that came to me when I wrote, and I actually said these words in front of Shri Mataji. We were sitting on the dining table, and she started to correct the poetry, and she added so much value to the poem with her words. This is what you hear, what you heard was partly written by Shri Mataji. She was prompting me to become a writer. I had a thought in mind about how do these auras of the heart reflect within us, how do we feel them? And then she asked me to put my hands out when I had sung the song to her the first time. And she said, can you feel something? I said, yes, Mother, I can feel like a flower's petals start opening up. That's how I feel in my heart. So she said, you know, with this song, your heart is opening. And when your heart is opening, you are receiving. And when you receive, you become a reservoir. And then you can give. And that was a great learning I had from Shri Mataji with this song. This was one of the very first few songs that I had written, composed, and sang before Mother. And Mother always wanted me to go to a studio and record these. And this song was then recorded as one of my big album, Ruhani Roshni, in 1988. So this is the background of this song, how it was evolved, and it made me learn from my quest. So I had a quest, and the answer used to come from within in the form of poetry, music composition, and with Mother being there physically to bless, it was such a grand opportunity that I could be in front of her to narrate my songs to her, and then she would correct them, and then they would be recorded in the studio. And those were the good old times when Shri Mataji was actually taking interest in the recording of my songs. So sometimes there was a mistake and I had to go back and re-record. So that's how this whole music in Sahaj Yoga, Shri Mataji started through my instrument. Now I'll come to another song, which I had written about some time back. This was after about a few years in Ganpati Pule. Mother used to have her programs, music. And one fine evening, she was sitting with her feet at the back of Dr. Hamid, who started agriculture in Sahaj Yoga, actually. And Shri Mataji called out for me. I was sitting somewhere at the back in Ganpati Pule. And then she said she wanted me to sing a song while she had her feet at the back of Hamid. So I came and I sang this song. This song was actually my first song, which I hadn't written nor composed. I was just a singer. The writing was by Anjan Upadhyay, who's now settled in the US. And the music composition was by Ranjan Sharma. These two young boys, we teamed up together and we went to a studio, we recorded the song. And after the recording, Shri Mataji then had called me and made me sing in front of her on the stage. And only thing I can say about this song is that the person who was sitting with mother's feet on his back had been cured. And you first listen to the song, then I will say a little bit more about it. So would you like to play Hey Adi Shakti Ma, Sab Dukh Harini Ma?
आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। प्यार की शक्ति ने माँ दिया अद्भुत ये ज्ञान। प्यार की शक्ति ने माँ दिया अद्भुत ये ज्ञान। हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। रोशन वो धरा पढ़ते जहाँ तेरे कदम। होती है रोशन वो धरा पढ़ते जहाँ तेरे कदम। बहती है रूहानी सबा करती जहाँ पर तू रहम। बहती है रूहानी सबा करती जहाँ पर तू रहम। तेरे रहमो करम की है ये दास्तां दास्तां। हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। फिजा गुलशन में है नई महक है जहान में। पाके फिजा गुलशन में है नई महक है जहान में। रंगों गुल भी है जवां जवां खिलते हैं जो तेरी राह में। रंगों गुल भी है जवां जवां खिलते हैं जो तेरी राह में। तेरे प्यार का है बनाए कहकशां। हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। बंदिशों की क्या कहूँ, बांधे थी जो हर शख्स को, उन बंदिशों की क्या कहूँ, बांधे थी जो हर शख्स को, वो रंजिशें भी हुई तमाम, रोके थी जो वस्ले अक्स को, वो रंजिशें भी हुई तमाम, रोके थी जो वस्ले अक्स को। अब चश्मे रूह से है मुकम्मिल ये जहां है आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ, आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ। तेरे प्यार की शक्ति माँ, दिया अद्भुत ये ज्ञान हो, तेरे प्यार की शक्ति ने माँ, दिया अद्भुत ये ज्ञान, हे आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ, आदि शक्ति माँ, सब दुख हारिणी माँ।
Such melodious voice, Sanjay ji, so peaceful.
This was
Niranand.
Thank you. You know what happened that day when I finished singing this song and I went to bow in front of Shri Mataji, she told me that Hamid had 90% blockage in his heart. And with this song, he has been cured completely. I was surprised. I had just sung a song just dedicated to Shri Mataji, but Shri Mataji had used my instrument to cure the gentleman. And then she said, you had the experience of the opening of the heart, and now with your song, you can cure. Your song can cure. So much power it has. So that was such a blessing. We called Ranjan and Anjan both onto the stage. I told her these are the people responsible for the song, who wrote and who composed. And Shri Mataji blessed all three of us. That was such a grand moment at that moment in Ganpati Phule. I'll never forget. Okay, so now
awesome.
we come to the last part of my next song, which will be the last song for today. And
Are
this
you going to sing live? You're going to sing live?
The only thing is my internet is very, very bad. I don't know whether you have had the internet connection because most of the time I was getting a very disturbed feedback.
Yeah, even me in my area also, but I think Anupam can.
Okay, because if I try to sing live, it may go into a lot of breaks. So would you like me to still try? I can try to sing live, no problem. Okay. Okay, I'll try. Thank you. Please forgive for the bad internet. We don't have very good connectivity either here or in Malaysia, but yet I hope you can connect with your hearts are connected with me in this experience. Now let me talk to you about this song a little bit. This song is Teri Saanson Ki Jab Ek Ladi. This was made again in 1988 and figured in my recording of Ruhani Roshni. This song was the beginning of my going overseas. Shri Mataji had just finished her Shivratri Puja in Bombay, and she was resting in her beach house in Bombay, in Juhu. I had just been part of the puja, and I had written a song after that. The puja ended at about 1 a.m. in the morning. At about 2 a.m., I had this song ready with me, and I was very, very keen that Shri Mataji should hear this song. And I just drove to where Shri Mataji was in the beach house. And, after the puja, she had all the leaders sitting there on the round table and they were having dinner. And I landed up there. To my great surprise, the door was open, the path was open. I could see her right sitting at the end of the table. She was washing her hands on the hand bowl. And as I walked in, she said, "Come, come, I was waiting for you." Now, this is amazing because Shrimati knows best who's coming and when he's coming and for what he's coming. And there you are. And she was inviting me to come. And she asked me to sit next to her at the round table. People had just finished eating. And when I sat next to her, after a great lot of hesitation, because generally people would like to go and sit at her feet. And that's what I tried to do. But she said, "No, come and sit next to me." So there was a seat vacant next to her. I sat there and she asked me to drink that bowl that she had just washed her hand. I looked at it and then I just drank it. And when I drank it, something happened. It was like I was floating in the middle of the stars and the constellations. I could find myself floating there, and I could find something very, very soothing happening in my throat. And it was warming up, and it was getting very, very sweet. And then Shri Mataji said, "The song that you have written, I want you to sing it, not say it, but sing it." And I just sort of bowed my head. I prayed to her, "Mother, I leave it to you how this is going to happen," because I had not composed anything. But then when I sang it, you can hear it now. तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर देगी, तब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने, सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे। तेरी आंगुरियां हैं स्पर्श करें उन छिद्रों को जो चक्र भये, ऐसी तेरी धुन है बह जाए हर नस झंकार से भर जाए। हर गीत में लय, हर लय में तू, मैं खुद को भूला जाता हूँ। अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है, अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है, तेरे प्यार की सरगम बन जाऊं, तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर देगी। ये गीत जो मुझसे बहते हैं तेरे पूजन की ही कहते हैं, हर दिल में तेरा ही गान बसे, तेरी धुन में मगन हर जीव रस, हर जीव रस। बेहोश नहीं ये गौरव है, रोशन चेतन की गुंजन है। जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने, जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने, मेरी शक्ति ही मधु पूजन है, तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर देगी। आनंद कीन बौछारों में तेरी पावनता के दीप जले, इतना रोशन मुझे करते चले, दिल के भीतर कई राग छिड़े, हर राग में नव इंसान जगे, ऐसा मंथन रस रूप धरे, सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे, सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे, तब जीवन स्वर्ग का धाम बने, तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर देगी, तब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने, सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे, सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे. You know, when I actually sang this song in front of her, it was exactly what I'm singing right now. And I had not composed it, never sung it before. This could be a only miracle mother could have worked. And she said, I call you Roshan, the enlightened one. And she said, I want to take you to the whole world and where you can sing your songs. And before my public programs, when you perform, people will be ready to take their self-realization. That's how these music will work in Sahaj. And of course, thereafter, many, many musicians came up, and Sahaj Yoga has always had a huge contribution to music. I only have to thank Shri Mataji for having made me her instrument. This song words are also about saying that your breath plays on my Sushumna, and the holes in the Sushumna are my chakras on which you play. On which you play the flute of love. You play the flute of love on my Sushumna, which is like a flute. And then what happens thereafter is that I am in meditation all the time, and I am in puja all the time. And the heart is open, the sastrar is open, and now this whole world is a big joy for me to enjoy and to share to the whole world. This is what the poetry is about. This is how the song goes. And Shri Mataji loved it so much. She said, now I am going to take you to the whole world where you can perform your music. And that's where my journey started. By the grace of Shri Mataji, she has kept my voice alive. It's been now over 38 years. And I must say, and I must thank you all for giving me this opportunity. There is so much I can share with you, but maybe there will be another time to do so.
Yeah,
if there are any questions?
We'll continue next week, Sanjay ji, with your Grahalakshmi movie and also the upcoming Mahalakshmi movie. You can talk about that and also some of other experiences.
Sure. I hope you have watched Grahalakshmi, all of you, and
yes.
Mahalakshmi is going to be made very soon. We are trying to gather courage, money, and support from everywhere, and we are coming to you for that with our appeals.
Yeah.
But
so would you be free next week to continue?
Okay. Yes, we will do
so
this.
I would like to extend another week for you so that you can share more of your experiences with us. It was really a blessing, to have you here today, Sanjay ji, and used to remember that we know all the concerts, all the pujas and seminars that we used to attend internationally. All of my friends and I used to scramble for all your CDs, all the CDs, in fact, all the musicians, the CDs will be up for sale, and we'll be rushing to get them, and we still have them, and we'll always listen to this melodious music that we all you musicians have shared with, blessed by Sri Mataji. It's really uplifting. I think everyone would have enjoyed today's session, and we are indeed thankful to you, and of course to Sri Mataji for arranging this particular session with you for us to enjoy this collectivity tonight. So
thank you.
Till next
Thank
week.
You, Shri Mataji. Thank you very much.
Till next week.
Please forgive us, forgive me for whatever mistakes I may have committed, and Mother, please forgive. Please.
Sorry for the delay just now due to the technical, we have internet connection problems, so that's why the speech was played a little later than usual. So please also, we ask for forgiveness from Sri Mataji also,
yes,
and for all any shortcomings.
Yeah.
Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining us, and see you all next week, Tuesday, same time. Till then, Jai Shri Mataji. Love from Anupam and Mahesh, and also Sanjay ji. Jai Shri Mataji.